Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab E10, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, you want to pull down the notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like this. Then swipe down once again to extend this panel, which will reveal a bunch of toggles. One of those should be a power saving toggle, but if you don't see it right here, we might need to add it by tapping on this icon right here. And you should be able to see it somewhere below. For me, it is right over here. Once you see this toggle, hold it. It gets a little bit lift up, and then you can drag it over to the top. When you drop it and go back, it should now be accessible to you. From here, simply tap on it. As you can see, it lowers down your tablet's brightness as one of the effects, and there might be a couple additional things happening in the background, but the tablet doesn't actually specify it, so I'm just gonna keep it at that. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by tapping on it once again, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.